Hello my friends. ሰላም ንዓኻትኩም ይኹን። ምጽንባር or ምሕቋፍ ምጽንባር means to include ምጽንባር or محقاف to include موسخ or مخعبات موسخ or مخعبات to increase مملكات to indicate مملكات محبار it is not محبار to inform محبار to inform موراس to inherit موراس متببع to inspire مهكان to intend ممهز to invent موفر this is also it is not موفر to invest موفر means to invest معدام to invite معدام مستاف it is not مستاف to involve محبار it is not محبار it is محبار let me put this again محبار means to join. Let's revise them. متسنبار محقاف to include موسخ or مخعبات to increase مملكات to indicate محبار to inform موراس to inherit متببع to inspire مهكان to intend ممهز to invent موفر I put this one again, this thing, because it really helps to separate them. موفر موفر to invest. معدام معدام to invite. مستف مستف to involve. محبار محبار to join. يغريتها. This means محبار محبار يكونن محبار. I'm correcting it. محبار to join. سسناين عهدكم and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.